How do you feel if someone steal your money, information, or even your property just a second? It sounds so scary, right? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Abu Razak. I would like to present my final year project, which is detection of crime messengers in news or text on media social. Throughout this presentation, I would like to go through introduction, literature review, methodology, result analysis, and the last part is conclusion. Here we come to the introduction part. Communication has become a crucial component in our daily life. People start to make use of media social platform to be connected to each other. Based on the slide, we can observe that 74% of the media social user were from Facebook. Facebook indicates a huge database and information. However, some of this information allows the stranger to steal the user identities and trace their location easily. Due to that, I am dedicated to further this project since the case of the cybercrime increases over the year. The problem statement for these projects are: first, the hacker will create a messengers to approach and scam their victims. Second is the limitation of tools to prevent and investigate crimes using internet. The third, the challenges of database, which is noisy, dynamic, and big data. The objective of this project: first, to develop an algorithm in detecting crime messengers in news or text. Second, to implement those algorithms on media social. Third, evaluate the accuracy of detection rate. Literature review. I use 3 types of resources, and each of these resources use different type of deep learning architecture technique. One is SVM, Support Vector Machine, Google Maps API, and Weak Signal, and the last one is RNTN, Recursive Neural Tensor Network. All of these 3 studies process explain on how to classify a crime cases and not crime cases. Weak Signal and Google Map API suit with my project objective. This is because this algorithm able to classify and filter database from a Twitter and interpret those database to find out a location of the crime cases. However, SVM cannot find out the location of the crime cases. Same goes to RNTN. RNTN algorithm technique did not guarantee the consistent result. Now we are looking to the main part of this presentation, which is methodology. We start our project with filter raw data from open source. Text is unstructured data. The text could be noisy, dynamic, and big data. Filter process needed to sort off the informal word, short form word, and unwanted data. Then we will further to the weak signal of organization crime process. Extract data process means that we will extract the sentence of data to the keyword. Then we will match the keyword with the location. After that, we will go to reverse geocoding. Reverse geocoding process is the process that we allocate the location of the crime words. Formal concept analysis is the last important process that we need. This process is a mathematical method process. We will match the detail of location and the detail of the text through this process, and then we can implement those data to end user. Now we are looking at the result and analysis part. I didn't code any algorithm, but I'm looking forward how to collect the database from a Twitter. Based on the methodology, I would based on the methodology, reverse geocoding process flow is important in order to collect a database. So that in order to collect the database, I need to create my own server. The main reason why I need this server because when I want to find out the words, for example like crimes, rape, bullies, kill, this server will run and find out this keyword in the database and give the output back to the system. In the Node.javascript, we have the package tweet library that help us to collect the Twitter API, metadata from Twitter, and trace of the crime based on keyword. I did learn the JavaScript languages since it is the crucial language for me throughout this project. In conclusion, the main problem in text mining database are noisy, dynamic, and big data. The main process of text mining are collecting, filtering, interpreting, and analyzing the output to end user. I believe that weak signal approach and Google Maps API techniques is the best way for me to achieve the objective of this project. I did a research on how to collecting a Twitter database throughout the Twitter API, metadata, and keyword sorting. And I plan to create a database server linked to a Twitter in a Node.js. Apply the weak signal concept, which is reserve geolocation, to create the hotspot crime cases and analyze that through formal concept analysis. For the future works, I will use the JavaScript as the programming language in my project. Thank you for your time. That's all for my presentation. Assalamualaikum.